That's why I thought there was a head there.
Oh, where's the head at? It's right here?
One, and there's the other one. There's a little heart, so this baby's laying.
I would like to know, like, the position where they are, so I know.
Okay, so this baby's head's up here, and the little body's going across.
Okay.
And this baby's head's here.
That's
There's the
Elizabeth.
face.
That's Elizabeth.
Elizabeth.
This is Elizabeth?
Yeah.
And she's moving now. I didn't get my good picture. But
Yeah, she's a mover.
Oh, your face.
Yeah, looks just like you.
That's Elizabeth. She looks just like you. So let's see if we can come up on her heart. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
It's Elizabeth's heart. So the first two will be Elizabeth. Alright. Looks good, huh? So her head's right here. I'd like to get a picture of her face too.
Wow.
They always look better before you freeze it. Can you move your little lips or something for us? Come on, you know you're doing that. Sucking sometimes.
Ooh.
He's moving.
Hiccups.
Maybe.
So this one is not Elizabeth.
No, this is not Elizabeth.
This is... Oh, you can see the other one better now. She was like... You can never saw her face or her body.
You want to go down, you'll see it's not the same baby.
Yeah.
Wait.
Ah.
So this one, her head's over here.
Oh, wait, I do have the same baby. I have to go this way. Oh, there she had her mouth wide open.
Wow.
Did you see it?
Yeah. So how
there.
is she?
It's wide open.
Which position is she in? So her head's down here?
Her head's up.
Up?
Yeah.
And her feet, where are her feet?
I don't know yet.
Oh, so she turned this one.
Yeah.
Because her head was down before.
Now I'm sure that this is their first baby again. Pretty sure. Alright, now here's her first baby's heart. That's her stomach. There's her heart. Okay, so that's that baby, but now over here we have another baby. It's heart. Oh, look.
Look at the arm.
Yeah.
Isn't that perfect?
Cool.
Come on, I gotta get that heart separate. My trouble's I slept. So what's the second baby's name?
This one's Elizabeth, the other one's Isabella.
This is Isabella.
This one over here is Elizabeth?
Isabella.
Yeah.
Isabella. Isabella. And we did the face on this one, didn't we?
Yeah.
Did we print it? Yeah, I think so. They never come out good enough for me. pretty good though.
Looks like she got her legs crossed.
Doesn't it?
That must be her knees when she's pushing up with her knees.
Yeah.
We feel like it's like two like little round balls like on the.
Can you see
up.
well enough?
Yeah.
Can we find another one in here? It looks like you got enough room.
Pretty sure it's just
Look
two.
at her.
This is 2 babies.
That's why I feel her like around there where you have the thing.
Yeah.
Who kicking me?
Yeah.
That's not nice. Don't be kicking your
He's
mother.
always punching her,
What?
kicking her. She is.
There's a profile, and that's again Elizabeth.
Hey, Lizzie.
Elizabeth is easier because she's kind of
Yeah.
stuck there.
Yeah. Go for Bella.
Let's get your face again. Say hi to your folks. Oh, there she goes. She's waving. Here's her hand.
Yeah.
Open your mouth again. She's got her hand near her mouth. This is Isabel. We should be able to get her fingers. There they are. See her fingers? They're over her head. Are you scratching your head?
Yeah, it is.
Cool.
That's good. And I think this is her other hand, see? And it's coming right down to her mouth. I thought we should be able to get her fingers in because she's...
Look at her little fingers.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, cool.
And here she is down here. Well, aren't you a lucky little one? Have 2 babies.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pretty sure this is her hand.
Her hand.
Right by her face. That's where it should be because they like to suck their hands. Even already.
Yeah.
Pretty cute, huh? Can't get into her. There's her back.
Yeah.
Okay.